Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet. G to L. Green color. Blue color. Yellow color. Orange color. Brown color. Red color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Z. Z for grass. Z for grapes. Orange color. Orange color. Ace. Is for horse. Is for home. Brown color. Brown color. I. I for igloo. I for ice cream. Blue color. Blue color. Z. Z for jackfruit. Z for zoos. Red color. Red color. K. K for kite. K for kangaroo. Green color. Green color. L. L for light. L for lamp. Z. Z for grass. H. H for horse. I for ice cream. Z. Z for jackfruit. K. K for kite. L. L for lion. L for light. Thank you.